What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be fixing my tail lights and doing a tail light update. So let's get the cover off. For the update, I got this resistor right here, and I just bolted it on with the clips it came with, but it shouldn't get too hot. Some people put it away, like there's a hole I could strap it to, but I don't. I just have it like this. This one is 8 ohms, and I installed it as my rear lights didn't turn on. So to get that to work again, I had to get a resistor. It cut off my rear view light too, rear view camera. But today I'm going to be installing, I'm gonna be turning those on. The reflectors. I don't have this one working though. That was just an update. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this all back, and we're gonna get this off. I went ahead and added some pins just because I didn't know what to do with them, so I may as well just install them. First thing you want to do, take off these Phillips heads right here. This is what we're going to be connecting, these 2 wires. Now if you see my tail light video, you cannot just get this off. You're going to need some tools. To not damage the light, you're going to want one of these, and just pry out, just like that. These 2. This is what we want to get to. So I'm gonna go take these off, and then we can get these on. For these taillights, don't forget to unplug the extra switch. What you're gonna want to do for these, into the blink and the red, which would mean stop and then turn signal, cut a little wire, cut the excess right here so you have at least some wire sticking out, put them in electrical tape, and then we should see if they work. Alright, got the little pieces off, so let's put them on. GoPro loves to not focus on little things. Always wants the big picture. Got a little bit off. Now I did have trouble, as you saw. The yellow did not want to come apart, the yellow excess, and then the red one, actually the front came off, but the rear didn't, so you kind of have to be careful pulling those off. But after that should be good. You just want to put them on, wrap them, and I like to put electrical tape only, because if I switch tail lights or headlights, then it's just taking off electrical tape and unwrapping it. So let's go to the tail light and remove excess plastic from the wires. Now just reinstall your tail lights, and then we can put them on.
I've been waiting for this one.
Just put them back on, but don't put them fully on just yet. First, I suggest you plug them in and make sure they're good, then go ahead and put electrical tape. So since I already know they're gonna work, I'm gonna go ahead and put electrical tape first, and then we'll see them out. like to put one bolt in, so just in case, because you don't want your tail light falling on the floor and cracking. Don't need to tighten it a lot, just enough to hold it so it doesn't fly out. And see, it works. And to just put these on, when I get these to go in, little clips and then screws, and that's it. Just want to hear that little snap. Want to get them nice and tight, but not too tight because it is plastic. And that's it. Very nice. Now people can actually see me more. That is it for today. It was just a quick little video, quick little update on the tail lights, and just to show you the reflectors. But yeah, it was super simple to install. Just gotta wire them in, just like electrical. Usually it's hard, but that's simple. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. But I'm out. Later. That's filmmaking.